Today is April 20, let's see, 25th. Yeah, today is April 25th. Yesterday we got a big storm. It busted the whole roof on our greenhouse. Also brought somebody else trampoline. It's probably 14 feet in diameter, plus minus, maybe slightly bigger. But the greenhouse is shut completely. Well, the side panels is still they're still there, but it's kind of come loose everything. And this side, all panels is gone. And another side, let me show you another side, guys. Let's see. Working. On this one panel completely busted. I've been inside. Couple panels is still loose. Then that metal angle on top of the roof is busted too. Well, I hope we can fix it our greenhouse and we will still have a good season this year. I hope so, but you never know.